Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 car dent repair machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Car Dent Repairing Machine. Specifications: host shell material, metal. Input voltage, 110 to 240 volts. Rated power, 1000 watts. Operating voltage, 5 volts. Input frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Power factor, 0.95. Efficiency, 90%. Degree of protection, IP23. Cooling, air-cooled. Plug specifications, EU, US, UK, AU. Item number 4 is PDR009 WOYO Auto Body Magnetic. Specifications: brand name, WOYO. Model number, PDR009. Material, alloy steel, plastic. Application: painless dent repair for car workshop. Package dimensions: 45x15x40 cm. Origin: mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected car paint dent removing repair tool. Specifications: material, plastic. Input power, 220 volts. Input frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Output power, 1.38 kilowatt. Output frequency, 150 kHz. Power output cable, 160 cm 299.21 inch. Gross weight, 3 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is WOYO PDR007 Auto Body Repair PDR Tools. Specifications: model number, PDR007. Modified item, dent repair. Voltage, 110-120 volts. Size, 56 by 25 by 29 centimeters. Weight, 3.5 kilograms. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Electromagnetic Induction Heater. Specifications: material, metal. Input power, 220 volts. Input frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Output power, 1.38 kilowatt. Output frequency, 150 kHz. Usage: commercial manufacture. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.